Yesterday, Bitcoin has been beautifully bouncing back towards the upside, hitting that 93k level. But right now, Bitcoin is coming back towards the downside ever so slightly. But this is going to be a very healthy thing for Bitcoin. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. About the Bitcoin CME gap down below us, about this huge Bitcoin short squeeze that is going to be inevitable. A lot of liquidity is sitting at the top side and it will inevitably get grabbed, and most importantly about the next Bitcoin targets. What is that next Bitcoin move exactly going to be? Well, we need to be having a look into its history and much more. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 130 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, yesterday of course Bitcoin has been forming this double top, but I have been warning you about this double top. I've been saying that this is probably going to be a massive trap and we are most likely going to be seeing another move towards the upside. And yes, indeed we did. We reached that 93k level again and history was exactly playing out like I showed you yesterday. Now right now we are perfectly reaching previous resistance and flipping it in towards support. Now, where is this level coming from? Well, this very important level is coming from the 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance. Previous resistance right now flipping into a support on that lower time frame. So this is looking very good, as well as at 1.272 level Fibonacci level of resistance also flipping into a support. Now, before talking about the next Bitcoin targets and what the next move for Bitcoin exactly is going to be, well guys, first of all, you need to understand that Bitcoin of course has been creating this CME gap down below us, but I've been saying many times that this CME gap right here is just here to act as a trap. Most likely it will not be getting filled until the next bear market. I mean, this is exactly been happening during last bull market, so it is going to be very likely to be happening again. Now right now, during these times, while Bitcoin is literally hitting new all-time highs in a short term, well, the Bitcoin funding rates are still relatively low. They are looking extremely healthy during these times where Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs. And this is going to be a very bullish indication for me that definitely Bitcoin could be headed even higher. And yes, you can clearly be seeing that the majority of the liquidity is right now being built on that top side. Yes, if we're going to be having a look into some majority of the liquidity, it is actually on the downside, but there's no way we're going to be coming all the way back down towards that 51k level just to be grabbing a little bit of liquidity. If we are going to be having a look into what's the closest majority liquidity, we can definitely see that that is lying on that top side. So yeah, another squeeze to the top side is going to be highly likely. And like I've explained many times, Bitcoin is right now literally reaching price discovery stages. So I would definitely not be bearish at this current level. I would definitely be very bullish. We are seeing huge amounts of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows still. Yesterday, we got another 510 million US dollars coming in through the ETFs. The momentum is not stopping. We are not getting any signals that the momentum is about to stop anytime soon. This uptrend towards the upside is just very strong. And like I have said just a few days ago, well, after this huge rally towards the upside, I think that we are about to be seeing something like this over here, a huge pump towards the upside, and then a slow and steady grind towards the upside, and then the last push towards the upside before a correction towards the downside, and then another push towards the upside. I think something like this is going to be happening next. So right now, a slow and steady rise towards the upside, a slow and steady consolidation towards the upside, I think is going to be next. Now, of course, this is going to be a very rough estimate, a very rough prediction. But anyways, if we're going to be having a look into what's a historic returns, well, Q4 is looking very good. We are up plus 40% in Q4 right now. November is up plus 25%. And if we're going to be having a look into what's the historic returns, this is perfectly playing out again, because November, historically speaking, has seen a plus 44% move towards the upside. And yeah, in Q4, we have historically speaking seen an 85% move towards the upside. So yes, it is once again exactly playing out. Retail is right now starting to return towards crypto, and this is going to be very bullish for the altcoins. This is exactly what is going to be needed for altcoins to explode to the upside. Now, right now, I've already talked about what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. I think that something like this is going to be happening next. Let's talk about the price targets a little bit later. First of all, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now trade with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin. And the best thing is, Blofin is right now running a huge trading competition with a $1 million prize pool. So definitely be sure to be checking it out. Sign up with that link down below and start trading Bitcoin and altcoins right now for these huge rewards. Anyways, yes, talking about the Bitcoin price targets, well, I have a few price targets kept in mind. First of all, of course, that 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance. Right now, it is flipping into a support, looking very good. But the next level of resistance, in my opinion, is going to be coming in at that 100k level. So whenever we can be decisively breaking above this 90k level, above this level over here, close above it, and retest it with a bullish retest over here, I think we have no resistance up until that 100k level, because that 100k level is exactly confluencing with this bull flag breakout target to the upside. That bull flag breakout target is sitting at the 101k level. So yeah, perfectly confluencing over there. I do not think we have any resistance in between these levels over here. So if we are going to be breaking this level over here, we're going to be reaching this level very quickly. That 100k level is going to be incoming. Guys, ever since these bottoms over here, I've already been preparing you guys for this. Now, at the time over here, it might have sounded crazy to you guys, but right now it is really happening. So guys, I hope you have been listening. I hope you have been taking action. Like I've been saying for so many times, Bitcoin is right now exactly repeating the gold price action. Now, gold in that imminent short term is actually dropping towards the downside, but Bitcoin is still steadily increasing. But anyways, in that longer term, Bitcoin is still exactly following gold. This is still looking very good. Anyways, for the altcoins, altcoin season is about to start anytime soon. Within the coming 10 to 30 days, in my opinion, we have a little bit of a range where altcoin season could be getting started, but anytime soon it is going to be getting started. And whenever we're going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, that's going to be the moment where altcoins are going to be seeing a huge increase in price. So definitely make sure to right now be prepared with altcoins. And anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.